I still cannot believe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I have the most insane news. Hold on, I need to go into the room. Let me just grab my phone and my... Guys, I am in the room now, guys. I just got off the most insane Zoom meeting call. I still cannot believe. First of all, before I start, I need to explain myself because by the time this video goes up, I should have had 2 videos already. I've probably also tried to explain on other social media at this point, but guys, I was unwell for a while and it kind of made me a bit mad this time around because I had taken this break, come back to posting constantly again, and then bam, I'm sorry that I was gone. I just had to take care of myself, and I think that that's really important. But I had malaria, and it was like malaria that made me kind of just lie down and rest. So I'm just thankful that I feel so much better. So I got off the most insane Zoom call right now, guys. You see, when I got the email for this, I was like, whoa, what's this one? What are these people talking about? I was like, I could not believe it. I had to take a screenshot and I sent it to my sister and we started screaming and we were screaming for like 10 minutes. Guys, I could not believe it. So, guys, I was nominated. This AC is so loud. Guys, I completely forgot that the AC in this room is so loud. Let's wait for it to stop before I get into the juicy part of this video. Okay. I've turned it off. This is how this AC behaves. It will take its time to shut up. Let's just wait. Thank God. Okay, so guys, I was nominated in this year's E-News People's Choice Awards. Like, I know E-News People's Choice Awards is what I used to watch on TV. Okay, I used to watch it, okay? I was nominated in the category of African Social Star. This is the second time that, the first time that they had this category and had nominees in it was last year, and Bonang won last year. If you don't know Bonang, she's a popular South African celebrity, and this year, they nominated me. Imagine that. I am so grateful, so thankful that I have an audience and I have a presence and I have a voice that is what it is now, that people like this notice me. Can you guys imagine? Okay. They've provided us with assets to share with you guys on how to vote. It's People's Choice Awards, so you guys will vote. If you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, you've probably seen this by now, but guys, this is still doing my head in. How can you vote, guys? Voting window is between the 1st of October to the 23rd of October, and the winners will be announced on November 15th, I believe. There are 2 ways to vote. You can vote on Twitter, just like, say that you vote me. Use the hashtag Dimmaumeh and use the hashtag African Social Star. The hashtag Dimmaumeh and the hashtag African Social Star are very important for your vote to count. You can also vote online. The website is www.pca.eonline.com, and with just Twitter and the website you can vote up to 25 times a day. Okay, and start again the next day. I still cannot believe this. As you can believe it, I'm very grateful, very grateful. So I'm just going to keep just reminding you guys every video that I put out, please vote for me. The fact that you people even think to vote is enough for me, no, it's not enough. The fact that you people vote for me is enough. Please vote for me, I beg in the name of God. If you have watched my videos, or even at least 2 of my videos, please vote for me, okay? Okay. So I just have a couple of things to do now. I need to go out to run some errands. And then tomorrow, I really want to do like a pamper day, like spa day, go to a spa, enjoy myself, enjoy my life. I think I deserve it at this point. So I'll see you guys shortly. I'll see you guys soon. Hello. Okay, so guys, good morning. I have to set up really quickly. I want to talk to you guys because I'm about to eat. So I want to talk to you guys just before I start eating. So I ordered food from Cactus. I just ordered their full English. Didn't know it was going to come with juice. Although this juice, I don't understand why is it half a cup. This is very strange. Okay. I ordered hot chocolate, just to go with, what I already ordered. And I think there's some bread in here, sausage, egg, all the good stuff, and some baked beans. So let me just sit down so that we'll talk. I'm not going to do a mukbang. I think I'm just going to take my time and eat. But before I start eating, wanted to come in here really quickly and just say a few things. Last time you guys saw me, I said that I was going to a spa just to get a massage and just get a few treatments. supposed to happen. The problem was I just didn't book like way ahead of time. I thought that I'd get lucky if I kind of called the morning before, like the morning I wanted to go, but they were fully booked. So I finally secured a booking for Monday. I also didn't want to go alone. I wanted to go with a friend. I feel like going to the spa and just doing stuff like that is always maybe better if you go with someone. Thank you so much for everyone who has just reached out and said congratulations, who has reposted, who is reposting still. I'm going to leave detailed voting instructions in the description box, but guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Like, God, like I was just overwhelmed, and in the best way, Jesus. So I'm just going to go on ahead and eat now. I was hoping to kind of do a couple of exciting things. I don't want to cook, guys, like that's why I also ordered food, and I have to do an unboxing. Let me show you guys something so that you people see the madness. That it's not bad madness, it's just like it's crazy because I let things pile up for so long, and I have to go through them. Can you guys see this place? Okay, two of the white bags you guys can see. So the sari teas, I already unboxed that, but every other thing I have not really touched. The Utopia Beauty bag, I had to order, I already placed an order for some new black soap from like the enquiry website. I ordered about 6. It's been shipped out. I'm tracking it. Hopefully it gets to me by Tuesday or something. But then I had to stop at Utopia Beauty to grab neem black soap. They sell it for like $3.5 a container pack, calabash, because they put those things in like little like calabashy coconut plates. So yeah, I'm going to unbox every other thing just once I'm done eating. So I'm going to do my unboxing now. I've put on my glasses. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be unboxing is my Kai. Okay, hold on, let me see. No, okay, it's like this. I'm going to be unboxing my Kai dress. By the way though, this packaging is insane, and they shipped via DHL, and my order got to me in about 3 days from the UK. It did not take long at all. This looks amazing, and this is so well made. Like the fabric is like meshy, but you know sometimes, like, you know that I did a Fashion Nova haul and I was trying to explain to you guys how some of the like meshy things felt, and they kind of felt very fragile and delicate. This does not feel fragile. Like it just feels like something that will contain everything. Big bum bum, big breast. It will stretch as well. I love the fact that it gives way, so it stretches fun. Okay, so the next thing that I have here is from ABH, I believe. A set of glosses, and then there's something called Soft Glam too. So this is like a mini eyeshadow palette, and to be very honest, I love these, especially when it comes to traveling. So this is a mini Soft Glam, and this is perfect for like creating everyday looks when you travel. Like I really live for palettes like Chineke Nami. Huh? This is so strange. It just fell off, and this is like the one shade that I'm really excited about. Like it's a very bronzy shade. How did this thing just fall out like that? Next thing I have here is this gift box by a Nigerian brand. It's like a subscription like based type box where you kind of subscribe, you pay, and every month they send you a box with just like new exciting things inside. And it's indulged by Saye, I think. That's how it's pronounced. There's a little, okay, let me just show you guys. This box is so well done, by the way. So you open it up, it opens like this, and it smells really good. I think that it's skincare products in here. This is beautiful. Like, wait, let me tell you guys why I think that this box is making me so happy. Is the color. You guys know that I love this color so much, this shade of teal. I love it. So I think that the boxes all come with a theme, and this particular one is a September glow box. And at the back here, it just basically says that the theme for this month is forgiveness, it says. So there's like a glove thing here. I'm not really sure what you use this for, but I think maybe for exfoliating in the shower. Face and body radiance oil from a brand called Matte. There's a whipped body smoothie. This is shea butter. This is whipped shea butter, I believe. There is an avocado soap, like a bar of soap by a Nigerian brand called Mint. I think I've seen like sponsored posts by this particular brand on Instagram. And there's a lip balm from Sentimental. So these are all like the products you get in here are all from Nigerian brands. Okay, so next box I have here is from Pixie. This Pixie box was delivered by DHL, and this is the first thing that they have not hacked into in a very long time. I feel like DHL, they go through packages in a very aggressive manner. This is their hydrating milky collection. I'm going to try these. Like everything here actually just like, there's a serum. The serum I probably will not use. The tonic I don't know, but then the body lotion I'm excited for. The cleanser and the makeup remover I'm really excited for, because I love makeup removers that don't dry out the skin, that kind of leave the skin feeling like soft and moisturized. The next package I have here is from Huda Beauty. I love the makeup purses, or just the purses period that Huda Beauty gives, like comes with PR. I keep talking about their packaging all the time. Love it. Guys, this is my favorite mascara, hands down. My favorite mascara used to be from Clinique, the Clinique high length mascara, but they've discontinued it in most countries. Like I haven't seen it in a very long time. I've been using this since this year and I really love it. I have very curly lashes and this just gets in and just like separates my lashes and just gives it length and volume. Love it so much. I was thinking of actually buying another one, and it's a 2-in-1 mascara, but I'm glad that they sent me another one. So I've been also waiting for these. So these are their new eyeshadows. Like this particular one called Khaki, I've seen a lot of people use this to create looks, and guys, look at all like earth tone like green colors in here. Beautiful. This one is called Sand, and this is also very gorgeous. Like you could do like everyday wearable type like looks with this. Beautiful. So this one is called Purple. Okay, looks like this. The next package that I have here is also from Huda Beauty. This is probably a perfume. Oh my god, guys, this KLE perfumes that they do, they smell like heaven. So it's actually a hair mist. It's not a bad idea to have like perfume for the hair, you know. I would, especially when you have braids on and you clean out like your roots properly, just to kind of freshen up your braids. I'd see how this will work. Bottle looks like this. It smells so good. So I'm not sure where this is from. Let me open it up. These are handmade press-on nails, and this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is actually very, very pretty. This is very, very pretty. This is by a Nigerian brand, and it comes with a little kit here that has alcoholic pad. It has like adhesive like pad tabs as well, and there's a small file in here. But these are beautiful. Like I really like the color. Like I really like the color. Love. Okay, so this is from where? Bikoni. This is from Sigma, just to show you guys just context how big this box is, and it's massive. Okay. This is beautiful. The box itself is beautiful. Let me see how do you open this? Wow. So this comes with basically everything here. There's an eyeshadow palette, there are some glosses, and there are some makeup brushes. The lip colors look so good. And I love the fact that they included a makeup purse for the brushes, so thoughtful. Guys, this is very beautiful. This is actually the first eyeshadow palette from Sigma that I'd say, just looking at it straight up, I'm just very impressed by. Sigma, they do really good brushes. I've loved some of their like lip products in the past, and some of their eyeshadow palettes as well, but they are well known for their brushes. Thank you so much, Sigma. This is so thoughtful. Okay, so I have something from a Nigerian brand here, and the brand is Frame. I think it's called Frame. On the packaging here it says, what if you have the power of makeup in your hands? Brethren, we thank God that I have that. By the way, I love the packaging. Like the concept behind this, and the fact that it was delivered to me in this condition, because most times when Nigerian brands, I feel like they put so much effort into packaging. By the time the dispatch riders arrive, the packaging looks like it was used to play soccer. Okay, this was delivered in very good condition. So there are a couple of things in here. Wow. Okay, so there's a little book here. It's kind of like a catalog that shows like all the products that they have. So in here there's a blending sponge. Oh, I love this color. So this is the setting powder, but this is brightening. I'm going to tell you guys what I think about these. These are the two foundations that they sent me, and I really like it. Like it looks well, they look really good. You know, I love the matte like finish that the bottles have. I'm just praying that these are actually my shade. If they are not, I'm probably going to let them know. So I got the shades they sent me are Chai and Almond. Thank you, Frame. I have one more package from Pixie. I really love their packaging. So you open this box up, it looks like this, and you guys can see that it says ready. These are eyeshadow palettes. So this comes with 4 eyeshadow palettes. So this is a blush. This is an eyeshadow palette. This is also like a blush bronzer set. Yeah, I'm going to be giving this particular box away. Honestly, I think that what you have to do with this is just like, when you leave a comment under this video, because I'm not going to put that there's a giveaway in the description box or the title, but when you leave a comment, just reply with your location and say, oh, you know, whatever comment you leave, just like end it with, I'm commenting from here, because I really also want to know where you guys are watching me from. Guys, that is it. Like, I don't want this video to be too long. Maybe anything that I didn't now, like I'm missing, I'm just going to unbox it on Insta stories. So please check my Insta stories. I love you guys, and I'm really grateful and thankful for all the love you guys have shown me recently. I'll see you guys in my next one.